Introducing the BVX Tripod Kit from Benro. Combining advanced features with an extremely robust design, perfect for heavy loads. These video tripod kits have everything you'll need to keep your productions moving fast and efficiently. Available in two sizes, the BVX 16 has a maximum capacity of 35 pounds and a max height of 5.6 feet, while the BVX 25 supports up to 55 pounds and reaches up to 5.9 feet. These two-stage, three-section tripod legs feature a 100mm bolt, and the dual tandem upper leg sections offer more stability for larger camera rigs. Designed for the operator on the go, a few quick flips of the leg locks, and you're set up or broken down in no time. And when you need more height, you can conveniently kick open the bottom leg locks and adjust your height accordingly. The adjustable leg spreader allows you to widen your footprint for more stability and support. The large articulating foot pads can be removed to take advantage of the dual spikes. The BVX head makes it easy to adjust the pan drag, lock the pan, adjust tilt drag, dial in the counterbalance, and lock the tilt, all from behind the camera. So you can make adjustments while still operating the head. On the BVX 25, you have the added benefit of enabling the dynamic balance function. You can get additional half steps of counterbalance for even more precision. These controls are fast, repeatable, and perform the same way each time, so you can take the guesswork out of your camera setup. The head also features a removable telescoping pan arm that can extend and retract based on your shooting preferences. An optional second pan arm can be attached for increased accuracy. The BVX head has a press-in quick-release plate system for easy mounting and removal, and allows flexibility for base plate add-ons. The front and rear adjustable sliding panel makes it easy to find your camera's center of gravity. The quick-release safety lock ensures the security of your camera gear at all times. Simply pull and turn the safety lock to release the camera plate. Using the 8-step counterbalance, you can achieve optimal balance for kits of almost any size, with a 6-speed horizontal and vertical damping on the BVX 16 and 8 speeds on the BVX 25. It's never been easier to find the right feeling for your camera movements. The built-in bubble level helps you easily level your camera by using the half-ball design. Built-in accessory mounts allow for additional attachments. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case, and you're on your way. The BVX Tripod Kit is what serious videographers have been waiting for. It has the strength and precision you need, with the versatility and portability you've always wanted. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go.